Hi guys, this is Miss Hubble. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add and subtract lengths of time. We just need to keep in mind that it's a whole lot like adding and subtracting anything. Regrouping applies, and it's important to keep things lined up. So let's give it a try, okay? So here I have 8 hours and 12 minutes plus 3 hours and 15 minutes. So what we're going to do is, just like anything, you have to add like units to like units. So if I add minutes to minutes, I'm good to go. So I'm going to say 2 plus 5 is 7, 1 plus 1 is 2. I have 27 minutes, and that's fine because 27 minutes is not a whole hour, so we're good to go. Now let's jump over to hours plus hours. Well, hours plus hours is still hours. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 hours is not a whole day. So that's it. That's our answer. 11 hours and 27 minutes. Let's try one that takes a little bit more thinking, okay? So let's try a subtraction problem. 9 weeks, 5 days, minus 1 week, 6 days. Now for this one, there's definitely going to have to be some regrouping going on. For example, can I subtract 5 minus 6? Well, no, I can't. When there's more on top, there's no need to stop. But when there's more on the floor, we've got to go next door and get some more. So that's what we're going to need to do. Let's jump over to weeks. Normally when we're doing regular whole numbers, you jump next door to the tens column and you borrow a 10 or regroup a 10. Yeah, but weeks and days don't work that way. So let's jump over here. We're going to take one of these weeks and we're going to use them. So I'm leaving behind only 8 weeks. I'm going to take that week next door to days. Now, 1 week is worth 7 days. Since I'm bringing that week over to the days column, I need to turn it into 7 days. So now I don't have 5 days and I don't have 15 days because a week is not 10 days. What I have here is actually 12 days. I hope you see where I got that. I regrouped 1 week, took those 7 days in that week, added to the 5 days I already have, and that's how I got 12 days. Well, now there's more on top. No need to stop. So days minus days equals days. 12 minus 6 equals 6. 6 days is not 7 or more, so I can leave it just like it is. 8 weeks minus 1 week equals 7 weeks. 7 weeks, that's not enough weeks to make a year, so we're good to go. Final answer. Let's look at this last one. Let's box this in so it doesn't get confused with our new problem. Okay, for this one, I got a biggie. 3 hours, 6 minutes, 45 seconds, plus 8 hours, 55 minutes, 20 seconds. Well, we're not subtracting, so we're not going to have to regroup to add, right? However, you're going to see some things are going to happen. Let's check this out. Let's do the seconds first. I'm going to get 65 seconds. Yikes. 65 seconds is more than a minute. We're going to have to deal with that in a little while. Let's just keep going for now. Let's add our minutes to minutes. 6 plus 55 is 61 minutes. Oh, shucks. 60 minutes equals an hour. I'm going to have to do something with that too. Let's keep going for now. Hours plus hours is hours. 3 plus 8 is 11. Now, as we said before, we cannot leave this like this because just like you can't leave a 10 in the ones column or 100 in the tens column, I can't leave 65 seconds in the seconds column. That's too many seconds. So we're going to have to do some regrouping. So here's how I like to do this. Just to be on the safe side, I like to kind of draw out or write out what I'm actually doing. So I'm going to take 60 of these seconds. It's only going to leave 5 seconds behind, right? Now those 60 seconds, I'm going to regroup them over here. So now I have plus 1 minute because those 60 seconds equal to 1 minute, right? So now I have 62 minutes. Can I leave this like that? No, I still can't leave it like that. That's too many minutes. So I'm going to take 60 of these minutes. That leaves behind only 2 minutes. Remember, we had 5 seconds. I'm going to take this 60 minutes, regroup it as a whole nother hour. So that's 1 additional hour. Now I have 12 hours. 12 hours is not a whole day, so I can leave it just like it is. So I have 12 hours, 2 minutes, 5 seconds. Good luck adding and subtracting time. I know you'll do great. Bye, guys.